guys, in the last session we have discussed about the configuration XML file. In the configuration XML file, we have discussed the beans tag and bean tag as well, like what we have to provide in the bean tag. So all the information we have discussed. Okay, so now what I will do is I will create a simple example for this configuration XML file, and I will show you how we are going to write the like we are going to provide the bean information in the configuration XML file. Okay, so fine, let's go. Let's show you a simple example. Okay, yeah, now I have written a simple example for the configuration XML file. So here if you see the syntax, so in the same syntax I have followed. I haven't done anything. So the bean name, the bean ID equals to, I have provided the ID name as a person, and the class name equals to fully qualified class name I have given. Okay, so now property name equals to whatever the property in your what is the property of your class. Okay, so what are the properties available in your class? You have to provide all those properties name. For example, in my person class, I have all these properties: a first name, last name, mobile number, present address, permanent address, and the setters and getters. So here what I'll do is I am providing the same property names: property name, first name, and the value of that property. Okay, so last name, value of that property, mobile number, value of that property, present address, value of the property. In the same way, I have created for the permanent address as well. Okay, so this person object will storing the one person details, like Mohan details. Okay, if you want to create, if you want to store one more person details, then what you have to do? Of course, you can create a different object, different object. Then you can set the values, different person values. You can set. Okay, how we need to do that? Okay, let me show you. Okay, so this is the way we can do that. So here you just have to change the ID name. So at first we have given the person name and we have stored this Mohan details, and in the next I have taken the ID name as a person one. I have stored this guy Venkat details. Okay, that's it. Nothing. A person can have multiple objects. We can create multiple objects. If you want 10 objects, if you want to 10 different person details, you can create 10% different detail 10% details. Okay, so likewise we can do that. So now our question is how this we have defined this person and we have given the ID as object name. Okay, now how the container will understand, how it will create the create the person object, how it will set the values automatically? That's a good question. Okay, so let's discuss now. Okay, now let's see. So after giving this details, bean details in the configuration XML file, what we are doing in our main program, we are giving this XML file to the container. The container, what it will do means it will load this configuration XML file and it will come here. It will point the cursor over to the first line of the bean tag. Okay, so here it will come and it will understand that this is the bean, and what it will do means it will create an object of a bean by using the new operator. So you know, right, how to create an object of bean by using the new operator? Let me create for you. Okay, so it is created a object of a new operator. Okay, it is created an object of person class by using the new operator person. Person is the class name and the object name is person, and a new operator, this is a default constructor. Okay, person. So person equals to new person. Now he container created an object of this person class. Now how it will set the values of this, how it will set the values of this properties? So for that we'll see in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching. Bye.